this is the post-spike news trading plan for the industrial production, which is released from uh, the United Kingdom. Since this trade involves some art along with cookie cut directions, I decided to create a video so that I can exhibit what I was thinking about. The basic premise of the trade is to trade in the same direction of a 5-minute news candle. But where do you get the entry from is the art process. It's not going to be enough for us to buy on a long candle and sell on a short candle because the risk reward criteria may not actually meet. So before 4:30, that's when the news is going to come out. What I like to do is I try to draw support and resistance areas, and I try to trade off those areas. Like for instance, in March, I would draw a resistance right here and a support right here. Now, these would be my levels from which I might want to execute a long or a short position depending on the direction of the 5-minute news candle. So let's see. 5 minutes, the news candle gives us a red. So now I'm looking to go short from. I could get filled right here at 5766, but that's not what I'd be interested in. I'd like the price to come up to these levels before I actually go short. So let's see whether the price does do that. Okay, so the price did that, and I would have been short right now, and then all you do is enjoy the profits. Let's take another date. Now, similarly, I place a resistance out here and a support level right here. Now, after we wait for the news to come out at 4:30, which is now a long news, what do I need to do? I need to buy the GBP USD, but not from the level which it is at post 5 minutes post news, which would be 5855. I'm looking to buy it from these support levels. Let's see whether I'd get an entry. Here you are. I would have got an entry long, and let's see what happens after that. Market goes against us for some time, and then goes right back into our direction. Let's take another date. Similarly, now we have resistance right here, and support right here. Now let's wait for the 5-minute close of the news candle. Okay, it has been a red candle, which means that I want to go short. I go short right from here, and enjoy the profits. Let's take another example. We have the resistance here, support here. Wait for the 5-minute news, which happens to be a sell. So you enter at the support, now turn resistance, and enjoy the profits. Let's take another date. We have the support, the resistance here, and the support levels right here. Now I'm looking to sell off the resistance. So I'll wait for the news candle to go up to the resistance areas, and let's sell right here. And once I sell there, let's see what happens. I go at a loss. So this trade would not have worked out. Let's continue. Resistance and more resistance out here now, which might be support, and that's about it. So let's look at what happens. It's a long candle. That means I'm looking to buy, and let's see whether I get an entry. I get an entry right here on this candle, and let's see what happens. So this is my entry long, and you see we could have made some decent gains. Let's look at another date. Resistance and support. So now let's see what this news candle has to offer us. It's a sell. It's a sell news candle. So I'm looking to sell off the resistance levels. So we sell right here and enjoy the profits. Let's take another example. We have resistance right here. So we have a resistance here, we have a support here, and let's wait for a news candle to develop. The news candle is in an indecision candle, so there'll be a no trade right there. Another date. This would be perhaps our resistance area, and our support area would be around here. So now let's wait for the news candle to develop. Okay, we get a sell signal, but we want to sell it from this support turned resistance, and let's see whether we get a fill. We get a fill right here, and let's see what happens. And we can enjoy the profits. So the idea is simple, that you plot support and resistance before the news. You use the news candle to trade off those support and resistance areas in the direction of the news. Thank you for listening, and may we have a filled day.